Maryland needs 590,186 more homes to meet the growing demand because the state does not currently have enough housing to accommodate both existing needs and new population growth. It's Friday, September 5th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. According to the Maryland Department of Housing and Community Development, new construction has been lagging, and many developers are only building rental units, which will negatively impact the future of home ownership in Maryland. Of the new construction being built for purchase, most are well above the median starting home price of $339,150, putting home ownership out of reach for many Maryland buyers. With housing shortages predicted, home prices may continue to rise, especially in areas with job growth and opportunity. New inventory to the market. This report rose 6.5% to 2,145 units at a median $425,000 list price. Coming soon properties rose to 1,490 units. Fewer homes went under contract at 1,437 units this report, and going to contract in 23 days at a median $425,000 list price. Sold homes rose 6.8% to 1,453 units in 17 days at 98.7% list to sold ratio at a $435,000 median sold price. Rental properties available rose again this week to 3,218 and are priced at a median $2,695 per month. Got questions about your specific circumstances? Give me a call and let's talk. That's your wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, September 5th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. I'll see you next week. Have a great weekend. Take care.